Hi everybody, hope you're well. We have reached to the fourth Advent Sunday, which represents love, and it is also the last package that we still have left of the Advent calendar. This was wonderful, but I'll let my spiel to the latter part of the video. I have my old and trusted ruler and some scissors. This is package number 4. It is the heaviest, and we're just going to see. Of course, I'm going to make sure that you guys see it first, and then I'm going to see it last. Okay, eyes closed. I have some bets going as to which color this is. And I think everybody lost. Wow. Okay, it's empty. Wow, I don't even know where to start. Okay, so let me organize it a little bit. Oh, so cute, 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 cute. Okay, so let's start with some very handy dandy short little scissors. These are really handy for when you have, these are fabric. Oh, this is for fabric, for paper, and something else in German. But one thing what I do now, you have to choose from the beginning. It's either paper or fabric. If you do opt for fabric, this is very handy when you have picot elastic, because the first time you go around the seam, you just sew it down, and then you have to turn it inside. If you're familiar with picot elastic, you have to sew it twice. I'm going to try to see if I can find a short little video that I have that I can show you. But in order to avoid bulk, you would have to cut a little bit of fabric off that is not included in the seam, and then turn it so you have less bulk. So this is very, very handy. I'm seeing 2 fabric that are familiar to me, but I'll start with this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fabrics. We have this one right here. This is a jersey, a cotton jersey or knit, and these are really comfortable. I have made a few undies with this that I wear, you know, when you're winding down end of the day. So very easy, beginners friendly to work with. We have this fabric right here. It is a mesh. It doesn't really have stretch. It has some print on it. I'm not sure. This is a mesh tulle, but definitely perfect for bra. Gives full wanted to say voldoende. Gives enough, or it stabilizes, so you can put it on the bridge for stabilization and support. It doesn't have any stretch, so putting it in the bag might give some discomfort. You can definitely put it on the side of the cup also to stabilize. Oh, I didn't even see this. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, so we have a little sect here with some beautiful flowers. We have, let's see, 8 little flowers. There are white and red, so this will come in handy for lingerie creation, especially in bras. You know, right by the bridge you put a little flower. Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh wow, look at the print. It has metallic in it, it's flowers, it's stretch a little bit of give it does have. It looks like an embroidered. Oh wow, I've never seen this before. Ooh, It is so beautiful. Very, very nice. Oh, wow. I am in awe. This is so beautiful. And you can mix and match it with so many different colors that will definitely complement it. You could go a little more subtle by going with black, but you can also like go all out and go more like a pink hue or a purple hue. Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh. This is, I'm looking that way because I'm seeing a bunch of elastics and I'm thinking like, wow, oh, this is nice. This is beautiful. Is it like a, it looks like a deeper pink, like more towards purple. Looks like my Christmas tree. Very nice. It is a galloon stretch lace. Has some beautiful flower print. Really nice. Really, really nice. Then we have this one. This is a lycra. And what is really nice about this one, this is a fabric that was from Madeline. Anybody that is familiar with lingerie sewing knows the designer Madeline. She has a company called Madeline Intimates. She provides patterns. She worked with Simplicity. She has her own patterns, like the Galenas from there. The Lauren, look at the Lauren. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but the Lauren is from there. And so she came out with this fabric over the summer for bathing suits. And when she had her BOGO sale around, I think a little before Thanksgiving or after Halloween, I purchased the bathing suit pattern that she has. Is a variation of 3 different patterns, and I really wanted to make the bikini, and now I have fabric for it. Isn't that lovely? This is a lycra. I don't know if I mentioned it before. Beautiful print. Really, it would be amazing to work with. That's what I know for sure. And then we have this right here. I have 2 separate pieces because I think it's because they go the opposite way, the flowers. But this is tulle lace. Look. Isn't that beautiful? It reminds me a little bit of what we got in the purple fabric, or in the purple package. I think it was package number 2. But really nice. Really, really nice. This will make a lovely bra. And I have 2 more things. I have this one right here. I'm going to run over and get the set because this is familiar since I have made the Mara bralette together with the Esme panty. The Esme, the Marla is from Studio Costumera, and the Esme panty is from Yves Le Louvre. And I used this one. And I remember that I was missing a little piece, like 20 centimeters. And I already placed an order, and I emailed one of the ladies. I was like, is it possible for me to get 20 centimeters of this? Have you sent my package out already? Can you send me? Because I'm missing just the back band. And she was kind enough to do it. I'm going to get it in a moment. And then this last one is a extra wide, look, that's why we have this one. An extra wide waistband elastic that has a little bit of glow. This is a 5 centimeter. And sometimes I use it for, or most of the time I'll use it for the waistband of the panty, because it is just extremely comfortable. It is plush on the inside. It looks nice. It gives the panty just something extra. But enough talking, let me go look for it. Said, very familiar. So we have the Mara bralette, which is this one right here. It is a very easy and quick sew. As you can see, I had lined it with some mesh, some stretch mesh like that, and there is a bra channeling here, but it's without the channeling in it, which makes it very comfortable. So this was the bra, and then this is the handmade panty. And what is nice about it, I made this one with the 3.8 centimeter waistband elastic, just to show you how it is possible to change a design by just adding a waistband elastic instead of a picot or a fold over. But this is the panty. As you can see, it is such a beautiful lace. I think what I will definitely do with this one is to create a variation of the 9478, which is also by Simplicity. I'm going to put a picture in the screen so you guys can see. And I was watching the tutorial yesterday, not knowing what will happen today, and I think it would be beautiful to use this lace in particular on, let's say, a black mesh fabric to make a wonderful bodysuit. Because I don't know if you noticed, but I like me a bodysuit. So these are all of the fabrics that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus the waist, the extra wide waistband elastic, the 8 flowers to add, and also the handy dandy scissors. As always, first, before I say that, I just wanted to say thank you for, oh, hold on. There's also a picot elastic right here. This picot is also the same as the white picot, the black version of the white picot, with the sheer part. Oof, I hope you can see it. Can you? Yes, you can. You see, with the really beautiful. I mean, can you see the vision? Okay. First of all, I want to thank you for spending the last 5 Sundays with me by engaging and anticipating all of the packages of the Advent calendar. I am very, very grateful and thankful that I was able to take a chance, purchase this. I am very happy with my supply, with everything. I mean, everything that I got, all 4 packages. I am not disappointed. I am definitely going to make it my mission to create more lingerie pieces. Like I said, I am waiting on the Sew Lingerie book to come in, but I also have other patterns, PDF patterns, and all types of resources that I can use in order to actually hone in on this skill and create beautiful pieces. So I do hope that you are able to join me next year, and I'll be uploading videos, and you can follow my journey in terms of the skills and the skills that I'm improving, the adventures that I'm on, and sewing wise and so forth. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. I wish you good health. I wish you a great Christmas celebration, or whatever celebration you do around this time of year. I wish you a happy new year. I wish you all the best, and positivity, and have a great day. Bye.